So, how'd you know about this place?
Me and a friend of mine used to come here when I was younger. It's a great place to kill time, even when you're not pursued by an army of psychos.
So what do you do when people aren't trying to kill you?
Me? Well, not much. I drive the truck for my uncle's business. You're lucky you caught me. I almost never go this far south. Of course, that's my summer job.
What's your winter job?
I'm a student.
Really? I used to go to school. Where do you go?
To Yale, up in Connecticut.
Isn't that where really smart people go?
What, you don't think I look smart?
No, I won't say that. Besides, you might kick me in the groin again if I did. I just don't know very many smart people.
You seem to be good at finding trouble. How exactly did you get yourself into this whole mess?
I hardly remember anymore. I was in the house of a rich guy named Richard Berry. He lived just outside of town in this huge fancy house. All the guards around his house should have tipped me off. I thought he was in the oil business or something like that. Anyways, I started to hear yelling and then a few gunshots. I went to find someone and I happened to notice that most of his guards were in bloody pools on the ground. At that point I started to think something was up.
You're sure you don't go to Harvard?
I found my way into the lobby just in time to see this guy beating the hell out of Barry. Barry wasn't too happy about that, so he spit out some of his teeth and started yelling at the guy. That's when he said something like, "Norman Swift isn't worth a 10-pound bag full of, well, let's just say horse poopy." That's when he got capped in the head.
Maybe Swift has something against swearing.
I took it upon myself at that time to drop one of my tools, creating a loud noise which caused everyone in the house to turn and look at me. That wasn't a good thing to do. Murder makes people touchy.
It's just like politics.
So I gathered my wits and ran like hell. Then I beat up two guys driving a truck and ran into you.
So what were you doing in Richard Berry's house in the first place?
Me? Well, I'm the plumber.
The who?
The plumber. Barry was having one of those fancy new bathtubs put in. He brought me down here to hook up the pipes.
So you're just a plumber?
What? Plumbing's a respectable profession.
You don't look like a plumber.
What's a plumber supposed to look like?
I don't know. I guess they're supposed to be bald, fat, and wear those pants that let you see their butt cracks.
Listen, Alice, give us 20 years and we'll both look like that.
That's nice to know. Maybe we should just let Swift kill us and spare us the misery.
I don't think getting old is all that bad. Especially if you're with someone special.
Someone special? Like your mother?
Not exactly your mother. Unless you're into that kind of thing.
So then who exactly would you consider special?
Me? Well, that's hard to say.
That's the problem with men. They have a hard time saying anything.
I don't know. I'm pretty good at talking. When I want to.
Let me ask you a question.
What?
Being a plumber, I assume you're good at cleaning pipes?
One of the best.
That's good to know. Too bad my pipes aren't dirty. Good night, Storm.
Good night, Alice.
Storm! Storm, I think someone else is here.
Don't worry. We're safe.
Fuck. They're not trying to kill us. I don't even think they have guns.
It looks like we may have suddenly become valuable. Why can't you guys just leave us alone?
We don't like you.
I'll bet your parents didn't love you. Are you dead?
I don't know. This doesn't look like New Jersey.
I guess that was supposed to be some kind of joke. We gotta get the hell out of here. I hope they didn't mess up your truck.
Sure, worry about my truck and not me.